Hey guys, it's Craig at Area 419. It's February 1st, so we are starting today shipping our M Series dies. It means if you've got one of these ordered, it'll be in your mailbox soon, or if you're looking at ordering one and want to know how to set it up, here we go. I have in my hand the shell holder as well as the die. The first step, let's install the shell holder. No tricks here. If you're on a zero, simply thread it on, and as you get toward tight, I'm going to tell you to make sure that the mouth of your shell holder is ergonomically placed. I like mine just a little bit tilted to the left. It's the way that I load. Once that's done, we're going to run the ram up, and let's thread in the die until it touches the ram. You'll start to feel a little bit of pressure right as you get to the bottom because you're gonna want to go ahead and slide this down or thread this in until it compresses your sizing sleeve. Once we're in, we're going to lower the ram like a traditional die. I'm going to thread it in about 3/8 more of a thread, maybe a quarter, maybe an eighth, depending on feel. So I get a nice firm seat like that on the bottom of the zero. Now that it's in, with pressure on, I'm going to run the locking ring down and using my supplied wrench, make sure she's nice and tight. At that point, your die body is set. The next thing you'll do, with this pressure still here, is run down this micrometer head until it doesn't want to go anymore. What that means is the die is now set up to size your brass down to about factory new size. This may be a little further than you want to go. So, you can size a piece of brass, see how far it takes it, or back it off maybe about 4 thousandths. That's going to get a pretty close shoulder bump for most people. But again, you're going to dial it in very simply with the micrometer on top. If it's a brand new die, understand that the first handful of cases you run through it, 3, 4, 5 of them, you may see the sizing be a little bit odd. This is how the brand new die is settling in. You're getting lubrication inside it, so don't be alarmed by that. You may not see that problem at all. Just understand that it is possible with a brand new product. So, guys, that's how you set it up. That's how you can be successful with it. Got any more questions? Let us know.